Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Sorry for the late start. Market just opened. $8:30, big news. First entries every time. Let's enter first entries. Looking to go short. Starting to get a little choppy here. Decent push up. Small trading range being formed. First entry, second entry short. That's a bar reversal. Gets back to a 20 EMA. That's the main problem. That's the main thing. Oh, I'm in. Oh, I'm in very low, but I'll take it. I'll take it. Really bad entry though. But I'll take it if it gets it to me. It makes a new low already. I'll take it.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Sorry about that, pandas. Hugo got scared, thought you overslept. You're not completely wrong. Big push down here. Get back to the bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator. Right here and here. I like a pullback, but I don't know if I'm gonna get one. Always better to wait for the pullback. And it's gone. Target reached. Bounces right off. Wow, okay. I mean, you're thinking follow through on a bear bar like that. I mean, it could be another bear trend day today. The weekly chart. Oh, we just touched the 20 EMA. Alright, I see. I see where we're at. We can still have a bear trend day and have like a wick breaking beneath. I just don't like these like retracements. They're pretty strong. Especially bouncing off a support like this. Big push, big bounce off the bottom of the trading range on the trading range indicator. Looking to go long right now. We're right in the middle of the trading range. If I get a setup, I may think about it. Of course, it feels like entry short is what I'm looking for. Keeps popping up. Maybe no entries. It is what it is. Micro double bottom. On a $20,000 product, that's incredible. The moment that closes, that reverses. It's actually incredible. Popping up. No entries all the way up here. Bottom of the trading range back to the top of the trading range. Just a perfect bounce. It's actually absolutely incredible. I mean, is there any indicator that can mark this so accurately? I don't think so. It's the only one, pandas. It's the only one. Like, look, it bounced literally perfectly off the bottom of the trading range. Back to the top. That made it worse. That actually made this worse. I don't know how it's possible, but it made it worse. Is this how it actually looks like? I reloaded my data. Is that actually how it looks like? Something's weird. Okay, that looks more right. That looks correct now. Sorry, I had to reload my historical data like twice. It's weird. Big push up. Hugh wants my phone number. Good try. Nice try. Stream Riz. Good morning, Panaman. Quick question. Did they change the rule where you can have 2 days of just doing micro trade to count as trading days? Because I'm just $96 short of getting a payout. I still have 4 days to go out of 10. I don't think so. I think you still have 20%. But it's not just micros. It's like if you flip anything, you can also flip minis, and they'll catch that. That's how I got denied my payouts this year. Okay, push up. I mean, I'll try. I'll try. Hard to time things like this, especially on the NQ. Okay, I'm in. For 10 points if I can get it.
Target filled.
Up 4 Honda. It's a trap trade. The reason why I looked for 10 points is because I was risking 10 points. It's just a 1-to-1. NQ, man. It's where it's at. The Nascraq. It's just everything scalps, really. Like 10-point scalps, easy. Came back to the bottom of trading range. Also up to 240 here. I mean, it looks bearish. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look at it, especially the 5,000 tick chart looks very bearish. When you get a bounce like this, comes back up and comes right back down like this, it looks very bearish. 5-minute chart. Everything underneath the 20 MA. Looks bearish to me. But we are in a place where we could bounce, so I'm gonna sit on my pause. It's the first entry. Try to be patient here. Alright, pandas. People are busy this morning. Okay, I'm glad I waited here. I'm glad I was patient because this is the bottom of a trading range. And we're bouncing off of it multiple times here. I'm not so eager to go short anymore. Maybe I should be. Jeez. It's starting to convert into a limit order market, looks like. 5-minute chart also shows that. Overlapping bars. 5,000 tick. Big wicks. I got denied because I hit my target and then I traded micros for like 2 days. I flipped micros for 2 days because of the 20% rule of the flipping days. And then I thought that they only considered trading micros as flipping, but they apparently also considered trading full size minis, or not full size. I guess it is full size, but E-minis as also flipping. So I flipped the rest of my days with E-minis, and they consider that flipping. So I said, all right, fair enough. This is getting wacky. This is getting wacky right now. Second edge is short though, right off of support. That's the problem. I'll try. Ooh, that's ugly. That's a really ugly trap to take. I'll pass on that. Skip it. It had a deep retracement, but it really does end up pushing down. The moment it triggers, comes all the way back up. Like, how disappointed are you in that trade? Right when you enter, and it reverses up like that. So just know they actually consider, like, I guess they actually consider like how much you're taking out or the difference in your contract sizes or whatnot. So, and also nice thing about the NAS is that one contract gets you so far. So whereas the E-mini, like one contract is like, it's like torture to wait for the one contract to build up all the way through one contract. There was news today. Already passed. 8:30, which is what caused this big spike. News tomorrow, I think, is gonna be the big one. All right, you got me. I cannot pass this one up. I cannot pass this up. This looks so bearish. Big push down. Gets knocked down by the 20 EMA. I mean, I just can't. I can't pass this one. It's too tempting. I'm in this trade. If I get knocked out, I get knocked out. It is what it is. But it just looks so bearish. Like, I mean, I want to get a nice push down here.
Target filled.
I'm on fire! Hand us. Heat check. Goodness gracious. I called that. It just looks so bearish. The moment it like when it looks like this, it's a big push down, and then it just bounces off the 20 EMA. The 20 EMA is just like a perfect resistance. Like, it has a small pullback back to the 20 EMA. I can't. I gotta try. I gotta try the break on the bottom here of this pivot. I gotta try. It was a nice push down. I got solid. Did I get a 1-to-1 on that at least? I got more than a 1-to-1. No, I got exactly 1-to-1 on that. I got pretty much 1-to-1 on that. I'll take it. 1-to-2 about to trigger. Strong bear bar on the 5,000 tick chart. I wish every setup looked like this. Just big push down, small pullback. It's just very rare to get the actual pullback. Slightly converting to a trading range right now. Again. We could have a strong bear day today. Sure, why not? I've been having solid days lately. I mean, we're in the positive now. We're almost at 1K up on our accounts. Almost. 150K accounts. You need about $5,000. You need $5,100 to withdraw a profit. And we dug out of like a $1,000 hole, so it's nice. This is dripping, huh? I could have got way more out of that. Could have lost it too, but wow. All right, overnight lows being tested here. Okay, forget being tested. Got destroyed. All right, I mean, downtrend. What can I say? Big bear bar. People selling the close of that big bear bar made a 1-to-1. Man, they want more. Like I mentioned, this just looks so bearish, this pattern here. It's like an H. It looks like an H. It's crazy. I wish I had a runner. I mean, my runner actually got stopped out with this spike back up, so never mind. I want an entry now. I don't know if I can get it. Let's just go short somewhere randomly. Should I just try? Should I wait for a pullback at least? People are just selling the top of the previous bar. Yeah, sorry about that. Big pullback. I appreciate that. Yeah, you also have to watch out for when you flip, or on other days you're trying not to flip. Make sure your contract sizes are similar to your previous days. Like, let's say if you're trading 10 contracts, all of a sudden you're trading one contract, they may consider that flipping, or just inconsistent contracts. Lower high here. Lower high. Like, big pullback, big move up, pretty sure move back down. Could convert to a trading range. Terrible looking signal bar. I'm saying I'm gonna pause here. Okay, big risk, bad looking signal bar. Right, your first leg is above 20 MA. You're in a downtrend. That's the main thing that's getting you here. But it's better to set in your pause, I think. Or you just go short whenever. Keep breaking the previous pivot lows here. That was a deep pullback. Jeez, was not looking for that. It's just weird. Spike in channel, perhaps. I like the short trade, but not with that kind of setup. Just a big push down, jeez. Maybe I should just sell any pullback. Like, I just want to go any first entry right now and just go short. That's a bar reversal. Nine pushes down, pandas. 9 pushes down without breaking a previous pivot high. Strong bear trend day today. Again. I mean, I feel like I gotta just take a first entry here. It's ugly, but I mean, how else am I gonna make money today? Every first entry is just scalping. It's a deeper pullback for sure. Of course, you'd like it to come back closer to the 20 MA if you can enter into a trade. But everything has been first entry so far. It's a good signal bar too. Like, if you know there's a better setup at the second entry, then you gotta wait for the better setup, no, pandas? I mean, isn't that called patience? Sticking to the plan, isn't that what it's called, sticking to the plan? Second entry short, but far away from 20 MA, unfortunately. That sucks. It's a outside bar reversal. I mean, it is what it is, pandas. I want to join this downtrend, but it's just setups are not there right now at all. Not even close. Good, nice push down though. I wanted to go short, but too many outside bar reversals, too many. Right, not close enough to any resistances here. Pure momentum right now. I'll be kicking myself entering these trades, and if they go against me, I'll just be like, why did I enter that trade? You know, you gotta consider that. Sticking to the plan. Entering any of these trades would be not sticking to the plan. But maybe the plan should change on strong bear trend days like this. It's been a while since I've seen a day like this. Or a couple days like this. Like before this, it's probably been like a couple weeks since we've seen a strong trend day like this. $13 pushes down, almost. 12 times the charm. That's what bulls are thinking. 12 times the charm. Do not go long here, ever. I should be shorting with limit orders. Jeez, oh, we finally broke the streak of the downtrend. Finally broke it. Trading range perhaps here. Starting to form. Sell with limit orders, buy with limit orders. You could buy probably here and make money. With a limit order at least. Jeez. I mean, this is called flush. This is a flush, pandas. I mean, this is flushing right now. Should I just go short? Just for fun? I'm too scared. People buying limit orders now. Limit order market, in my opinion, is starting to form. The moment that bar closes, you see with the limit orders, people jumping in. People might be jumping limit orders down here as well. They scalp the limit orders right there. We have a limit order ready on this side of the spiking channel. We're in a limit order market, pandas. Big push up. What is this about? Big push up. Multiple bull bars in a row now. Finally might get a pullback on the 5-minute chart, right? We haven't broken previous candle's high yet. On the 5 minute, we may get it now. We may just get it now. Yep, we just got it. First pullback on the 5-minute chart, pandas. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Actually, the 5-minute did break the previous candle's high way early on, and since then hasn't broken previous candle's high until right now. Big bear bar. I mean, you gotta reckon this is a pretty strong move up. And then most likely look for a new high. 2 legs up now. And 2 strong legs up, actually. the 5 minutes to reverse to start going back down in the bear leg. I want the 5 minutes to be in a bear leg. $5,000 tick chart about to touch the 20 EMA. 20 EMA. Strong bull bar. Ending near its high. 20 EMA right above it. Testing the 20 EMA now. Bounce right off the 20 EMA on the 5,000 tick. I mean, you're thinking one more push up, I think. I mean, this is a strong move up. You're thinking one more push up, second entry long. Something like that. At least a touch off the 20 EMA. Almost a second entry long. Almost gave us 2 legs down. It looks like a 2-legged pullback to me. Big push up. I mean, second entry long. It's a hidden second entry long, right? We don't get the actual break over previous candle's high, but you get the movement of 2 legs down, right? Big push down, little pullback back up, big push down. Unfortunately, I wanted the actual setup. I don't know if that's unfortunate or not, but I was patient. I was being very patient there. This could be a full-blown reversal here now. YL. As soon as I say it's down, trying to V bottoms. Strong bull bar on the 5-minute chart. May have some follow through. As long as the 5-minute isn't a up leg, bull leg, I'm not interested in shorting. As long as we're in a bull leg, how do we turn to a bull leg to a bear leg? Well, you break a previous candle's low. Spike channel, perhaps. Ooh, we're finally getting our second entry long, but we already made a new high, so could reverse here. Yeah, second pullback here. I mean, if we're above the 20 minute, I want to take it. Jeez, outside bar reversal, no thank you. It's the day that you skip all the outside bar reversals, they all work out. And the day that you try it, it just fails. It's just the name of the game. It's just the nature of the market. Yep. Goes up. It looks like a spiking channel to me. Okay. Coming back to the bottom channel. Am I looking to go long? Am I looking to go long here? It's a good looking signal bar. It's the first entry. I mean, should I just sell up here, buy down here? Is that the rule right now? Limit order trading? It's not quite yet limit order trading. We get to the bottom of the channel here. Oof. Okay. I mean, that looks bullish to me. I'm not shorting this right now. Looks pretty darn bullish. I'm thinking 5 minute wants to test the 20 EMA now. It has not yet touched the 20 EMA since the market opened. I mean, it could be a V bottom. Like I said, the weekly chart is on the 20 EMA. It could use that support. Daily chart, just nasty reversal here. As long as we're in the bull leg of the 5 minute chart, I don't think I want to short it. Especially when they're like bull legs ending on their high. Or bull bars ending on their high, rather. Okay. Okay. Very cool. Deep pullback, back to the 20 EMA perhaps. All right. Converting to a limit order market, maybe now. It's in an odd spot. It's in an odd spot. Right, we're on the top upper half of the channel and the spiking channel. So if we get a second entry long here, it's second entry long, but it's not a good one in my opinion. It looks like a limit order market. Is it second entry long? Does pop up a little bit? Decent move up, I guess. I guess you just take whatever. I just don't know. All the rules are breaking right now. All the rules are absolutely breaking. They're making no sense. We're in a twilight zone. About to hit the 240 SMA. The 240 SMA. Such an interesting SMA. Bouncing out the 240. We're in a monster upturn right now. It's V bottomed essentially. This is very hard to predict V bottoms. Basically, broke out another spike in channel here. Keeps breaking up to the upside. $20 EMA in the 5-minute chart is right here, 19104. You need to touch this level here to touch the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. I mean the V bottom is very apparent on the higher time frames. This is V bottom. 5,000 tick chart, V bottom. 1,000 tick chart, I mean, actually, it's a V bottom, what can I say? V bottoms are just crazy. For the market to just turn on a dime like that, it's crazy. It's like the Titanic, as if it literally, like, before hitting the iceberg, just started to reverse instead of crashing right into it. Just reverses on the dime. Not even swerving, it's like reversing. Strong push down off the 240 SMA. Guess you could look for a trap here. I doubt we'll get it though. Could attempt it, but that's a strong bull bar. I really don't know what to make of this, Panis. I truly don't. I don't even know how to chart this. It looks so wacky. Like, I gotta break it up. I mean, the big picture I think is this. I guess this. That's your big picture here. Finally touching. Well, at least I think it's gonna touch the 20 EMA at this point. On the 5-minute chart. This is what I'm seeing, right? 5-minute chart, 20 EMA. You can look on the right side where the level is at on the 20 EMA. 19,103. But remember, it moves as it develops. So by the time it gets up here, it'll be probably 19,104 or something like that. Which is currently where I have this line at 1904. Quick scalp to the 20 EMA.
Target filled.
Okay, we're bouncing out the 20 EMA now on the 5-minute chart. Trap also 5,000 tick chart. Triggers right where I entered. We're up 880 Bambaroonies. Maybe the secret is you only trade days like this. Super strong movements, super obvious movements. Every other day, just don't trade. So you trade like once a week, basically. Maybe not even that. Trying to limit order market. I'll take a trap trade here. And I think that'll be my last trade if we get a trap trade here. I'll take the trap pandas. Feels like entry long. It's actually a decent second entry long. Bouncing off our trend line, bouncing also off the 20 MA. Doesn't quite trigger the second entry long yet. So no trap yet. Trap still, okay. Maybe I should just take the second entry long here. Maybe I should just take the second entry long. Jeez Louise, forget it. Forget about it. Just forget about it. Oh man, I mean second entry long off the 20 MA also offer trend line. Man, I should just taken that, jeez. And this is what kind of means I didn't want to go short while we're still in the bull leg of the 5-minute chart. Because this could happen, right? You don't really know when it's going to reverse. If the 5-minute is still on a bull leg, then most likely the smaller time frames are not going to reverse. I have one more in me. One more scalp here, pandas. Do I have one more scalp in me, pandas? $880 is a good day. Nothing. I don't need to force anything here for sure. Just a couple more 888 days. Just a couple more. You know what I mean? Easy peasy. I'm liking the Nascraq though. It's fun. It's kind of making trading fun again. Okay. Pushes down. Interesting. No need to force anything here. I was holding off on it because honestly, I wanted to be like the place for people who wanted to trade the E-mini. But the E-mini is so slow. It is like, especially in the summertime, it is just so incredibly grindy, and it has been for like the last 6 months. It has been for like the last 3 years. Just so slow and grindy. Basically after COVID, I just feel like I've had enough. And I don't have much time with you guys, so I need to trade something that has more opportunities, more volatility, and so here we are, the Nascraq. If volatility comes back to the E-mini, I'll trade the E-mini, sure. But the thing is, like, it's nice because the Nascraq is lower leverage, so technically it's less risk trading the Nascraq. This is more volatility. You gotta be quicker. Coming back to the bottom of the channel here. What am I supposed to make of this here? I don't know. Okay, second entry long. Second entry short is hard to take because the trend line's right here. The trend line blocking you. You're still in an up leg or bull leg in the 5-minute chart as well. I would take this short if the bear leg triggers with this short here. Second entry long works out quite nicely actually. We're still in the one bull leg on the 5-minute chart. We had like a deep, like pretty strong bear leg, and then just V bottom reverses with a bull leg, just as strong as the bear leg. So that's trading. Reverses on the dime like that. All right. Okay. I wanted to scalp to the previous day's low, but never mind. It is what it is. All right, I think I'm gonna end it here. Pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. We're taking Fridays off, and thanks for joining. I hope you guys have greatly benefited from watching the stream, and you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys on Monday, and yeah, 80% off Apex. Use code BBM. Sure, please. Supports me, helps me a lot, and I would truly appreciate that. Pandas, I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your Friday. Remember, there's news tomorrow. Big news tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Please be on the lookout for the market calendars. And if you want to pass your evals, that's probably the news event that you can use. I think it's, if you like to pass your evals in one single trade, that's the best way to do it. But Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Have an amazing weekend, everyone. Trade safe, and as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.